Mini Yogi's World. Hi, little yogis! Welcome to Mini Yogi's World, the happiest yoga place on YouTube. Today, we're going on a super fun yoga adventure. So grab your mat, bring your biggest smile, and get ready to move, stretch, and play. Before we start, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a single yoga story or adventure. Every day, we have brand new magical journeys just for you. And guess what? If you stay with me all the way to the end of today's video, you'll unlock a special yoga surprise. So keep stretching, breathing, and smiling right until the very last pose. Are you ready? Let's roll out our mats and stretch, smile, and shine. Great job, little yogis. You stretched, smiled, and shined so beautifully today. So if you had fun, don't forget to hit like, tap subscribe, and join the Mini Yogis family for more magical yoga adventures every day. And guess what? The fun doesn't stop here. Click on the video right here to go on your next yoga journey with me. Until then, keep moving, keep smiling, and remember, stretch, smile, and shine.